Hello friends. Today in our subject proficiency in English part 1, let us learn unit number 1 nature of English language, and the topic's name is communicative approach to English language. Friends, what is a communicative approach? Definitely communicative approach emphasizes the communication among the people. It focuses on the development of communication skill. How does the communicative approach arise? Actually, communicative approach came as a reaction against the grammar translation method of foreign language teaching. In grammar translation method, mother tongue was used more prominently, and therefore communicative approach came as a reaction against this method. Communicative approach is the approach of second language or foreign language teaching. It emphasizes the interaction between the people, and interaction is the ultimate goal of language learning. Focus is on the meaningful communication. Focus is not on the structure of a language. In this approach, students are given various tasks to accomplish using the language. Students themselves use the language in communicative approach. They are not passive, but they are active in the communicative approach. As Brown says, the definition gives the definition of communicative language. He emphasizes on the points like interaction, student centered learning, task based activities, and communication for the real world. So, these are the principles of communicative approach. We know that communicative approach uses the language to communicate with each other. So, it is the need of the time to develop communicative competence among the students. Language knowledge and how to use the language leads to communicative competence. So, it is an important skill to be developed in the today's students. Then, what is the communicative approach in the classroom? As we have seen that learners are active, they communicate with each other. Authentic and meaningful communication is the goal of classroom activities. Then fluency among the students is very given importance than accuracy. So communication also involves the integration of different skills like reading, listening, speaking, and writing. It is a process, learning is a process of creative constructions. So, students might make some mistakes, there are some errors. It is a trial and error method. Students can make mistakes, but the errors are tolerated by the teachers and afterwards they are corrected. More and more encouragement is given to the students to participate in the activities and to communicate with each other. So, how they communicate with each other? What is the actual situation in the classroom? The focus is given on the actual participation in the classroom. Communicative competence is the desired goal, and definitely it is a learner centered approach. Then the teacher plays the role of facilitator, guide. The teacher monitors the performance of the students. The teacher creates the situation. Say, for example, the student and the station master. There is a communication between them, and the teacher creates the situation of inquiry, and he monitors the situation. He encourages the student to participate in the role play. So, role play, language games, and Field work, discussions, debates are the major activities in the classroom. Students are encouraged to speak with each other in the classroom, and in this way it is based on students need and students interest. So these are the role plays which are done in the classroom itself, and in this way also the native language is accepted to some extent, and afterwards again we switch over to English. So English is the medium of instruction for classroom management and for classroom instructions. Students may work in pairs and groups. So this is all about the communicative approach. Thank you.